Hello everyone. If tensions around the Strait of Hormuz continue, it's not just oil that moves. Fertilizer costs spike, food supply chains tighten, and agriculture quietly becomes one of the most strategic trades in the market. That's why this week we're focusing on BetaShares Global Agriculture Companies ETF. Now, what the chart is telling us on the daily chart, we're looking at a broadening triangle. That's a rare high volatility structure. We have higher highs, lower lows, but then volatility is expanding. Now, recent price action is pressing back toward the upper boundary, and this time volume is building into the move. That's why we believe the technical side is changing and the tone technically is changing. This is no longer random volatility, this is pressure building for a directional break. So, how do we approach this tactically? We have two clean scenarios. We have the breakouts play, it's preferred at the moment, but we need a decisive break above resistance. We need it to be followed by a retest plus hold above this level. Now, volume expansion confirms it's real. That opens the door for a momentum leg higher. As for the possible second scenario, it fades within the structure. If rejected again at the top, expect another swing lower, waiting for a clearer catalyst maybe after that. What volume is hinting at the moment, and volume is very important for this kind of formation, even though if you check earlier, there was a volume swings, but now sellers are losing consistency and buyers are stepping in. This tilts the probability slightly toward an upside resolution, but it's not confirmed yet. Now let's zoom out on a monthly chart. So it's a bigger picture. The structure is starting to resemble a rounded base. It's an early cup formation. This is a bullish formation, but price, it's reclaiming the multi-year highs. Momentum is quietly turning positive. Yes, but on the short term, for this kind of formation, we can still see a pullback to form the classic cup formation. But structurally, agriculture is transitioning from lag to strategic asset. And why this matters now? We have energy disruption, so higher fertilizer cost, supply chain fragility. So it means we possibly move towards a tighter food supply. Then we might see government stepping in. That's a strategic stockpiling. It is still a high volatility setup, but at a turning point. But if that breakout confirms, you're trading the early stages of a structural shift into agri assets.